Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video gonna to show you how to update Mozilla Firefox. So guys, if you want to update Mozilla Firefox, so very easy. First click on three dots, scroll down, after click on help, and after click on about Firefox, and here option restart to update Firefox. So click on restart to update Firefox. So running update. That is the new Firefox live. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to update Mozilla Firefox. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.